Now moving on, opposition BJP has taken a pot shot at Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray over the move to change name of Aurangabad to Sambhaji Nagar. BJP said that Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray is not serious to pursue lifelong ambition of Sena founder Bal Thackeray to change the name of the city named after Mughal ruler Aurangzeb. BJP's dig comes amid rift in the Maha Aghadi government over changing the name, while Sena wants the name to be changed to Sambhaji Nagar. Ruling ally Congress has raised a red flag, calling it not part of the ruling alliance governance agenda. While Sena claims that Aurangabad's name change was proposed by the late Bal Sahib Thackeray at a time when Maharashtra had Congress Chief Minister. Sena also mounted a veiled attack on the opposition BJP in its editorial mouthpiece Samna. Sena accused BJP of double standards and said that if they could bring out name change in Allahabad, Faizabad and Aurangzeb Marg in Delhi, then what really stopped them from bringing about change in Maharashtra when they were in power?
कांग्रेस के बाद अब समाजवादी पार्टी कह रही है औरंगाबाद का संभाजी नगर नहीं होने देंगे। अब मुख्यमंत्री उद्धव ठाकरे जी को तय करना है कि वो हिंदू हृदय सम्राट को मानते हैं या उनकी शिवसेना का भगवा अब हरा हो गया है।
औरंगाबाद का जो इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट जो बन गया है वो भी धर्मवीर छत्रपति संभाजी राजे के नाम से बनना चाहिए। इस प्रकार का एक प्रस्ताव हमने केंद्र को भेजा है, जिसको 1 साल हो गया। तो केंद्र के जो मंत्री है, उसका प्रधानमंत्री है, उनको जाकर महाराष्ट्र के बीजेपी नेताओं ने पूछना चाहिए कि अब तक उस प्रस्ताव को मंजूरी क्यों नहीं मिली है।
परंतु मी रिपब्लिकन पार्टी ऑफ इंडियाच्या वतीनं सांगतो की औरंगाबादचं नाव बदलण्यासाठी रिपब्लिकन पार्टी ऑफ इंडियाचा विरोध आहे। औरंगाबादचं नाव औरंगाबादच राहिलं पाहिजे, ते त्याचं नामांतर करता कामा नये अशा पद्धतीची रिपब्लिकन पार्टी ऑफ इंडियाची आग्रही भूमिका आहे। आणि जर या सरकारने जर औरंगाबादचं नाव बदलण्याचा प्रयत्न केला तर रिपब्लिकन पार्टी ऑफ इंडिया तीव्र आंदोलन छेडल्याशिवाय राहणार नाही।
कि मैं फिर कहता हूं कि नाम नहीं, काम से मतलब होना चाहिए। काम किस तरीके से लोगों को चाहिए, लोगों को क्या चाहिए। लोगों को नाम नहीं चाहिए। आपने किसी स्टेशन का कुछ नाम कर दिया, वहाँ से एक ट्रेन भी नहीं जा रही है, कौन जाएगा। आपने किसी स्टेशन का कोई नाम रख दिया, वहाँ से 4 ट्रेन नहीं ऐड नहीं किए, क्या मतलब है।
Pankaj Upadhyay joining us from Mumbai. Pankaj, the name change of Aurangabad has resulted in political row. You have the BJP mocking at the Maharashtra government, the Sena government. Shiv Sena, they're saying that this was Bal Thakeray's wish. They're pursuing it, while you have their own ally, Congress, not willing to go forward with it or agree to the Sena's demand for a name change. Take us through this politics that's surrounding it.
Well, the fact of the matter is that this issue has the potential to create rift between the Shiv Sena and the Congress. Even though at this point of time the Shiv Sena is saying that there is no problem between the Sena and the Congress, and that with talks they are going to resolve the issue. But the fact remains, for the Shiv Sena, this has now become a prestige issue. For the Shiv Sena says that the name change was brought about years back by none other than Bala Sahib Thackeray, and that the paper formalities will now be completed. But on the other hand, the alliance partner, the Congress, has said that they do not believe in such policies because name change was never a part of the common minimum program, and hence they are not pleased with this move of the Shiv Sena. And now, one by one, all the political parties in Maharashtra have jumped in on this issue and are saying that they will be putting up their firm foot on this issue. First, it was the Shiv Sena and the Congress and the BJP, of course. But now, the Republican Party of India, the Samajwadi Party and Vanchit Bahujan Aghadi have also stepped in. As far as the Vanchit Bahujan Aghadi is concerned, Prakash Ambedkar says that this is a move to divide the Hindus and the Muslims. RPI Athaule says that they are going to carry a big protest rally if Shiv Sena were to make this formal. So this has the potential to create rift between the alliance partners now. The MVA government definitely is on shaky grounds, but as far as the Shiv Sena is concerned, it maintains that things will become normal after talks with the Congress party. But for now, it doesn't look that the issue is going to die down, because the Maratha community has already started protests in Aurangabad, and they are saying that they're going to oppose the move of the Congress party.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.